Welcome back to our last class of the day. I am planning to do at least two questions. The first question is bit simple and second question is bit lengthy. So the first question I will do bit fast than the second question. Okay. Okay. Read the question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides are 12 centimeter. Isosceles triangle. A, B, C. You know what is isosceles triangle? Means isosceles triangle where two sides are equal in triangle. Okay. Side A equal to side B equal to how much? Equal sides are given how much? 12 centimeter. Side C is equal to question mark. Perimeter. I am going a bit fast, okay? Children, please follow me. Perimeter A plus B plus C by C is equal to how much? Perimeter is given. Perimeter. Yes, how much? 30. A is how much? 12 centimeter. B again 12 centimeter. C we do not know. 30 centimeter. 12 plus 12, 24 centimeter plus C is equal to how much? 30 centimeter. C equal 30 centimeter minus plus minus, okay, 24 centimeter. So C is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Now all the three sides we know, right? Now it is very easy. I can leave it from here and go, but anyway I will complete. S equal to how much? A plus B plus C by 2. What is A plus B plus C? Already we got it. How much? 30. 30 by 2. How much? 15. So S equal to how much? S equal to 15. Now we are going for Heron's formula. Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? S into S into S minus A, S minus A into which one? S minus B into S minus C. Okay. Yes is how much? 15. 15 into 15 minus A. What is A? Look at the board. A is equal to how much? A is equal to B is equal to how much? 12. So 12. Again 15 minus 12. 15 minus C. What is C? We got it. Yes. How much? 6. So 15 into 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 how much? Boy? 3. 3 into again 15 minus 12 how much? 3. 15 minus 6, yes? 19. 19 or 9? 9. 15 minus 6 is 19. Okay, good boy. So 15. 15 can be splitted, how much? 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15. Or even if you don't split also, it's all right. Because it is not going to do it. 15, 3 square. 9 can be written 3 square, yes? 3 into 3, 9, right? Yes. So square number will comes out. The non-square number will be remain inside. So how much? 9, 15 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the triangle is equal to how much? 9 root 15 centimeter square. Try it quick. Okay, children, the important and difficult questions. Question number 7. Question number 7. Read the question, all of you. The length of two sides of the right triangle containing the right angle differ by 2 centimeter. I repeat, the length of two sides of a right triangle containing the right angle differ by 2 centimeter. Right triangle, you know very well, right? A triangle which has how many degree? 90 degree. One angle should be how many degree? 90 degree. Read the question. The length of two sides of a right triangle containing the right angle. These two angles means these two sides containing the right angle meaning is where the two sides makes 90 degree. What are the two sides make? These two sides, right? Let's say A and B. A and B makes 90 degree, right? So that is differ by 2. What is differ by 2? Suppose A is B is equal to X, then A will be X plus 2. Different, right? We do not know what is A and B. Suppose which one? This is which one? C. Okay. Suppose B is x, then A will be x plus 2. Then C we do not know. Also given, okay, now base A equal how much? X plus 2 let height B equal to x centimeter, base A equal to how much? X plus 2 centimeter. You know why x plus 2? The question is given difference is how much? 2, that is why we are taking 2. Okay. C we do not know, forget about C right now. Also given, what is given? Area of the triangle given. Area of the right triangle. Meaning of this symbol is right triangle, okay. What is the area of the triangle? Right triangle height we know. The beginning of the day today I told, if you know the height of the triangle, then we can, what formula you can be used? No need to go for Heron's formula. What formula you can be used? Yes, 1 by 2 base into height. Is that no? 1 by 2 base into height, that formula you can apply. Base area of the triangle is given. What is given? How much given? 24 centimeter square. So 1 by 2 into base, how much? X plus 2. Height is how much? X. So how much? 24. X into x, x square, x into 2, 2x equal to, it will be reverse, 24 into 2 by 1. Is that no? Okay. X square plus 2x, 2 into 24 how much? 48. X square plus 2x plus 48, bring this side, minus 48 equal to 0. Now we are going to, now I am going to take you, all of you, to chapter 2, polynomial. Do you remember my friend, one of my another math teacher came and taught you polynomial? Yes or no? There you learn how to split the numbers. Yes or no? Okay, you might have forgot. Yes or no? It's all right, no problem. But children, better you listen, even if you forgot before or if you forgot to learn, now you listen carefully, because same question, same method, next year you are going to learn, chapter 3 and 4. Very important, class 10. So, and board exam sure to come those model questions. So, better you listen carefully. X square plus first term and last term don't change. This is also called, two names can be used, factorization method or splitting the middle terms. First term and last term don't change, keep it as it is. Only the middle one, 2, we are going to split into 2 parts. Okay. Okay. First term 1x, x square, that means 1, last term is 48. So, first term and last term you multiply. Listen carefully, first term and last term multiply. First term is 1, last term is 48. 1 into 48, how much? 48. Now, we need 2 numbers, listen carefully, we need 2 numbers. If you multiply the 2 numbers, you will get the product 48. If you subtract the 2 numbers, you will get the middle, what is that? 2. Listen carefully, we need 2 numbers. If you multiply the 2 numbers, you will get 48. Subtract, you will get 2. What are the numbers? If you find difficult, easy method, go for factorization. LCM 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, right? Again 2, how much? How much? How much? 1, 2. 2, how much? How much? 6. So, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. 8 into 6, how much? 8 into 6? 48, right? 8 minus 6? 8 minus 6, we are getting 2. Clear now? Okay. Now, x square plus into plus 8 into x, this x also will multiply. 8x plus into minus 6 into x, 6x. First 2 numbers together, second to number together, a group. Okay. From this group, what you can take common out? Shall we take the x out? Because x in both sides, right? Power 2, 1 is already out. So, one more that is left, plus x already out. So, what is left? 8. Clear? Same as it is you write. X plus 8. Same. It never changed. Same as it is. Now, what symbol is middle? Minus. Look here. 6x. Out of 6x, x already out. So, what is left? 6. Your answer is. Okay. Now, listen carefully. So, x plus 8, two numbers. So, one number you take common, x plus 8. Another number, first number and middle, x minus 6. Clear now? From the common one you take, another one is the first and the middle. Now, x plus 8 equal to 0, x equal to how many? Plus 8 other side, minus 8. X minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to how many? Plus 6. Side never be minus, yes or no? Side of this classroom is minus 8 centimeter or 8 meter. Can you say? No, right? Side never be, length never be which one? Minus. So, it is rejected. Understood? Now, we go for which one? Which one? Height. Height B equal how much? X equal how many? 6. Now, base. Base A equal, what is base A? X plus 2. That is 6 plus 2. That is how much? 8. Still long way to go, my dear children. Only two sides we know. This is 6, this is 8. What about third side? Still we do not know that side. Okay. Now, how to find the third side? There is a, who is our grandfather? Yes. Who is our grandfather? There is a one grandfather for all the mathematics students. Who is that fellow? Yes. Yes. Pythagoras. Yes. Pythagoras theorems. This fellow will go wherever you go, it will come. He will come. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem tells? Square of the longest side. Longest side is C. C square equal sum of the squares of other two sides. Good boy. That is A square plus B square. C square equal, what is A? How much? 8. 8 square plus B how much? 6. If you want, you can put centimeter. Eight eights are, yes, 64 centimeter square. 6 is a 36 centimeter square. C square is how much? 36 plus how much? Square. So, C is how many? If you remove the square other side, you will root. How much? 100 centimeter square. So, C is equal, what is the square root of 100? 10. C is equal. Now, you got all the three sides you got. All the three sides you got. Now, what are they asking? Verify by using the Heron's formula. Area of the triangle we know already. What is the area of the triangle? 24 centimeter square. Area already we know. What they are asking, you have to prove whether this area is 24 centimeter square or not by using the Heron's formula. So, now we are going to use the Heron's formula. I am going to clean because there is no space. Okay. Side A equal to how much? Side A equal to 8 centimeter. Side B equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Side C equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, go back to the old model, Heron's formula, semi-perimeter. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is A? 8 plus 6 plus 10 by 2. S equal how much? 8 plus 6, 14, 14, 14 plus 10, how much? 24 by 2. S equal to how much? 12 centimeter. S equal to how much? centimeter. Okay. Now, Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. What is S? S equal to how many? 12. 12 minus A. What is A? A is equal to how much? 8. 12 minus B. What is B? 6. 12 minus C. What is C? 10. Okay. 12 into 12 minus 8, how much? 4. Is that no? 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 12 minus 10, 2. 12. 4 can be written 2 into 2. 2 to 4. Next 6 to 12. Six to 12. Okay. Now, shall I write 12 into 12, these two together, 12 square into 2 into 2, how much? That is 2 square. Square root cancel, 12 into 2, how much? 24 centimeter square. Yes, we have done. Is that no? Area of the triangle is 24 centimeter, already given the textbooks, and we already proved. Okay. So, hence proved. Understood? Okay. Now, children, today we have learned, we have completed one exercise. We have learned a lot. What is Heron's formula? Who is Heron? That mathematician from where? Egypt. And what is the formula he derived? Which one? To find the which one? Area of the triangle. If height is not known. If the height is not known to us, then we can use the Heron's formula. For that, he worked and made a formula called Heron's formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That formula you apply, we will get it. Okay. We have done enough questions. All the difficult questions, whatever questions, typical questions are there, everything I have done. So go through. We will meet next class. Okay, children, we will meet next class. Till then, take care and practice all the subject. Very soon your final exam is going to come. Okay, children, see you.